In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable SMS authentication on your Binance account. But first, it's important to note that you must replace it with another two-factor authentication or 2FA method, such as Google Authenticator. Binance requires this alternative setup for security purposes, ensuring your account remains safe and secure. Let's walk through these steps so you can smoothly transition from SMS to another 2FA method. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Binance account. To do this, head over to Binance.com and enter your login details to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Security. This will take you to the Binance Security Settings page. On the Security page, you'll find a section dedicated to two-factor authentication. Here, you can manage all your 2FA settings. Look for the option that says Manage next to SMS Authentication and click on it. This is where things get interesting, because Binance wants to ensure that you're fully protected. So, before you can disable SMS authentication, you need to set up a new 2FA method. Google Authenticator is a popular choice and is widely recommended for its ease of use and security features. As you proceed, you'll see prompts guiding you through the setup of your new 2FA method. Simply follow these prompts to link Google Authenticator to your Binance account. If you're not familiar with Google Authenticator, it's an app available for both iOS and Android devices. You'll need to download it onto your smartphone if you haven't already. The app generates time-based, one-time passcodes used in 2FA systems to enhance security. Once you've successfully set up and activated Google Authenticator or your chosen alternative, return to the SMS Authentication section. Here you'll see the option to disable SMS authentication. Click this, and Binance will prompt you to complete a verification process. This might include verifying your identity through an email confirmation or entering a code sent to your new 2FA method, so be prepared for that. Go through these final steps carefully to ensure the change is confirmed. And that's it. You've now successfully replaced SMS authentication with a more robust 2FA method on your Binance account. By doing so, you've enhanced your account's security, keeping your assets and information safer from unauthorized access. Remember, switching to tools like Google Authenticator not only meets Binance's requirements, but also provides you with peace of mind. Thanks for following along, and as always, keep your security settings up to date.